About 10 years ago, the Panther 3D printer was pretty good, but it hasn't aged well. I decided that mine could perhaps enjoy a second life as a plotter. So I took it apart and put it together rather differently. Here I am 3D printing some feet to go on the plotter. Everything in green was printed by me. And here it is all done. How's it look? I definitely did not need a plotter, but this was fun. Generating the G code that runs the plotter is kind of a lot of work, and it ends up being more art than science. Eventually, I landed on using a tool called vpipe to generate my G code, and this is created with the Flow image plugin. I hope my dad likes his portrait. I do.